vow, vow. I made a vow to exercise every day. He made a vow to study hard this year. Envision, envision. Close your eyes and envision a beautiful beach. It's hard to envision life without my family. Scalper, scalper. My friend told me not buy tickets from scalpers. I bought tickets from a scalper at a high price. Flee, flee. During the earthquake, people fled from their houses. The criminal tried to flee from the police. Detest, detest. I detest spinach, but I love carrots. I detest waking up early in the morning. Perch, perch. The bird is perched on the tree branch. She perched on the edge of the chair. Contemplate, contemplate. He contemplates where to go on vacation. He sat down and contemplated what he'd done. Ignite, ignite. Please don't ignite a fire near the camp. Can you ignite the stove for me? Calamity, calamity. The earthquake was a huge calamity for the town. The flood was a calamity for the villagers. Occur, occur. The accident occurred at 5 o'clock. The meeting will occur at 3 p.m. Conquer. Conquer. I will conquer my fear of heights. The king conquered many lands in battle. Crook. Crook. The police caught the crook last night. Don't trust him. He is a crook.